Hey guys, it's time to try Perry's new oats cream.
Alright, hit it.
This case is making me hungry.
Hungry from what? Making me not hungry.
That's good.
I will say that next time.
I actually don't remember this case at all, which is bad because I think it's going to be on the final. Morton versus Ruiz.
What was this even about? Appointment?
Hey,
What is it? Ah!
you guys like ice cream?
We do like ice cream.
All right, let me in here.
Okay.
You don't need to do this.
I agree.
Ice cream's better. Excuse me.
Better than admin?
There we go. Hi, welcome to The Skeptical Vegan. I'm here with my friends, Jareb and
Grace.
Grace, both Cornell law students. Jareb's awesome. He'll eat anything, which is what I love about him. And Grace is great because she's always accompanying Jareb, who eats anything.
That's the most
So there we go.
I agree. That's the best thing about Grace.
They both go to Cornell. They both go to Cornell Law School, so you know that they're smart, right? So they got that going for them. And what we're gonna do today is try Perry's new oats cream. Have you heard of it? Okay, so
not.
have you heard of Perry's?
I have heard of Perry's.
Okay, great.
It's like a big dairy brand,
Yes, right, yeah. Big dairy brand. They've been making dairy milk-based ice creams for years here in upstate New York. Just now, they're rolling out their oats cream, which means it's ice cream made out of oat milk, which is also from Elmhurst, 1925, which is that dairy farm that converted to 100% plant-based recently.
wow.
Yes. So they're getting their oats milk from Elmhurst, and it's incredible. So what we're gonna do today is Jareb and Grace are gonna try Perry's new oats cream. Have you heard of it? And they're gonna guess what the flavor is because Perry's has rolled out some really, really unique flavors, things I've never even thought about. Actually, one of them I did think about, which we'll talk about, but the rest of them are pretty unique. So whoever's closest, whoever guesses the flavor closest, takes home their favorite flavor of Perry's oats cream, and the loser either walks home or drives home. We don't know which way this is gonna go here. But so hopefully I'm gonna be able to hide the flavor name from you guys enough, give you a little scoop to try, and then most of these we'll be trying together at the same time. And Gatsby's in the background. Gatsby is Jareb's Whippet.
Yep.
Beautiful dog. How old is Gatsby?
How old are you, Gatsby? 6? He's 6.
Oh, you said he couldn't talk, right? His agent won't let him.
Right, he's not allowed right now. He's not being paid enough for this film.
All right, so here we go. This is our scoop, our warmed up scoop. Here's a spoon for you.
Okay.
Still in its sheath.
Oh, I was just gonna use
This
the
is
one
very
over there.
sanitary.
Yeah, it's very sanitary. I haven't licked anything yet. but
You
don't.
should let Gatsby look at it.
We're gonna let
Hi,
Gatsby
Gatsby.
look at it. All right, so
Come here.
you guys ready? Don't look. Is
Gatsby,
Alright.
we're not allowed to look. Cover your
oh,
eyes.
this is so good. Oh, thank you both for playing so fairly.
No, Grace is very competitive. She has to win fair and square.
Exactly.
Yeah, I'll take a look.
Okay, it's ready. Oh wait, I didn't get myself any. I tried this one. So we're gonna do this one just between Jareb and Grace. And again, this is actually a more familiar flavor, I think. Hit it. You're all ready?
right,
Thank you
should
for
still be
closing your eyes.
closed.
Nope. You can open them up.
All right.
Okay. Well, I see some chocolate chips.
Chocolate chip mint.
Oh, good guess. She's like super jumping into this.
No, that's not mint.
Butter pecan? No,
Ooh,
that's
wow.
not that at all.
You guys are terrible at this.
Yeah.
Sniff it. Smell it. I think. Oh, you can't.
I should have taken my allergy medicine. I'm like, oh, there's flavors in here.
It's like I'm totally gonna lose this.
It's cold.
Like cheesecake with chocolate chip cheesecake.
Oh, wow.
I think it's chocolate chip.
No, I like the chip. You guys got the chips,
mean,
obviously.
I feel
Cheesecake's a great idea.
I've tasted something like this before. I just can't place it, but
incredible.
it is very good.
Yeah. Okay, I guess that's
Peanut
part of it
butter
too.
chocolate
Ooh, good. Another good guess.
Butter.
No, the chips actually aren't a part of the flavor. So,
Okay.
final answer. You can pull it out. Come on, you can do it.
All right.
It's delicious, right?
It is delicious,
Yeah.
whatever it is.
Cookie dough.
No.
No, it's not cookie dough.
I've never
I think you're gonna get better at this as we go along.
I think we might not.
It's a little bit better than ham with all of that.
Okay.
What if this is as good as it gets?
What's a praline? Is it praline? I don't know what that is.
Great guess.
Praline chocolate
Yes.
chip. No.
All right.
There's something like there's a different color in there. That's not-
Interesting.
There's like
All
a
right.
yellow brown
Yeah.
color. I'm gonna say like
Could you imagine if you
almond
just said
butter
it?
chip or something.
No, that's his guess. Grace.
It's not caramel, but it's only.
No, but that's good too. You're getting all the sort of like correct flavor profiles, but it's coffee.
That's his way of saying you're totally wrong. Ooh, it's coffee.
Do you get it now?
Oh, I've never tried coffee. That's why.
Yeah.
No, I'm kidding.
No, I mean, have you had coffee ice cream?
I have.
Okay, yeah. Do you get it now?
That is fairly
Okay.
obvious.
That
what
is
you're saying.
coffee.
I probably drank too
That
much
is
coffee this
coffee.
morning.
That's true.
That
You're right.
book right there.
It's just so much better than my actual coffee that I can't actually buy it right now.
So it's a delicious coffee ice cream that they call oat latte, which I think is a great name
Oh, that is
by
a great
calling
name.
right. Like it should be updated to not say coffee ice cream. It's oat latte. So that's flavor 1, points 0 to 0.
So what you're saying is
You're both tied.
So what you're saying is we started with the easy one and neither one of us could get it.
Exactly. Okay, this one I'm gonna try a little bit too because I love it.
Okay.
All right, you're all set.
Okay. Ooh, that does look good.
This is caramel. No? No.
Jared's gonna get it.
Wait, is this cinnamon something?
What did you do?
Cinnamon
It
something?
is, it is.
Are you saying the word cinnamon?
I am. I know that was a difficult word. It's very difficult.
Oh,
And
you're my
that's
favorite
the only word that I can't say ever. Or the others.
Cinnamon? So don't give Jareb too many clues, but I like the way that you're
Cinnamon
letting...
praline.
Oh, you stole his praline. That was really good, Grace. I don't know if you're gonna ever really...
It is like cinnamon caramel.
Cinnamon crunch.
All right, let's see.
Cinnamon
All right.
peanut cinnamon?
No, there's.
Walnut cinnamon.
She's about to get this point.
Almond cinnamon.
Unless you come up with something.
Cashew cinnamon.
It's
Would you have gotten the cinnamon?
Oh yeah, that's,
Oh, okay.
that's the easy part.
Yeah.
But I don't know what kind of nut is in it. That's
You
the hard
definitely
part.
copied me.
Cinnamon pecan.
And what's yours? Get just like Jareb was doing. Pair the
Oh, butter
cinnamon with
pecan.
something.
Butter pecan cinnamon. No.
Oh, you have all the right words.
Wait, cinnamon
it's-
butter pecan.
That's what you just said.
I thought you said he had all the words.
In a different
I just
order.
rearranged them, you know?
Oh man.
Oh, I see what you're doing.
Yeah,
You rearrange the words.
Exactly.
Okay. So neither of you are getting the exact flavor and the title of the flavor, okay? I love that the cinnamon came through, and for that reason, I'm gonna give Grace the point. Is that
Okay,
okay?
that's fair, that's
right.
fair.
Because the cinnamon represents the coffee cake.
Coffee
Isn't that
cake.
great?
Right. There's a crumb cake in there. It's not. Yeah.
wow.
So it's a peanut butter coffee cake
Okay.
oats cream. What a flavor.
It is. That is
very good.
So smart, right? This one, I haven't tried any of these.
Oh really?
No, this is all new. This
Okay.
is new territory for us, so
We scared the child away.
I can't imagine why.
I can't imagine why either. Right? Maybe we should get one right.
Mommy, why do grown-ups do that?
We either study
If you see strangers eating ice cream in the park,
Right. Do not accept ice cream from
do not
strange
accept ice cream
people.
from strangers.
Okay, I'm gonna
Especially strangers.
have to edit out that part.
Especially strangers with a video camera. That's terrible. Okay, we're gonna cut that.
All right.
Do I
Oh,
make
you
your
got a
life
big,
harder
you
when
got a
have to
big
cut it out?
chunk of something.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh,
Grace,
that looks
bowl?
really good.
Grace bowl.
Oh.
Yes. Okay, so this one, like I said, I haven't tried it yet, and you guys have been
Good.
It's like
talking.
cocoa nibs in it?
What?
Is it cocoa nibs?
Yep.
Nibs.
Grace, you gotta stop guessing out loud. Otherwise, you're gonna steal points from me unnecessarily.
That's my strategy. Although I do would play
Oh,
fair and
yeah.
square when fair and square.
Yell out some fake
Coconut
flavors.
caramel.
A total point. He stole this one. Are you
Nailed
kidding me?
it. No, I
How
nailed
did
it.
you do that?
It's perfect. It's coconut caramel. That's an obvious one.
Oh, it's good, right?
Perfect.
It tastes like a
It
vacation.
does taste coconutty.
Nice.
He got both coconut and caramel. The name of the flavor is coconut caramel.
Thank you. Thank you.
You're
I
going
retire.
down now.
Point apiece. Tie game.
There we go.
Remember when I said there was a flavor that I was going to invent one day?
This is it.
This is it.
Oh boy.
I know.
Pressure's on for this one. Is this worth 2 points then?
If you guess the exact name, you'll get 2 points, but I don't know if
deal.
you're going to get the exact name. I wish I brought some kind of like peel off tool thing, because I hate to do this.
I should have
But
got
I
this
have
one's
to.
totally coconut.
Yeah, and you know what? It almost tastes, when you were saying nibs, which is a weird word, the more you say it.
It was honestly a weird word the first time you say it, but
I was thinking like macaroon, not like nibs.
Stop it. Stop saying nibs. All right. This is going to be so fun because this
apple pie.
Grace, I love you. You just named the ice cream I was going to invent.
Is that
So there you go. But that's not the name of
But
it.
it's not.
Oh.
No, she's 99% right. Can
It's
you?
apple strudel. Oh my god! Let's go! I'm on a roll.
Let's go. He's naming these flavors. I haven't even tried it. Is it good?
It's really good.
I haven't tried it yet.
This is a winner right here, on the record.
Okay, so years ago, another ice cream company had a contest for what flavor of ice cream should be invented, right? And I thought apple pie
You were
because
correct.
because you eat ice cream with apple pie.
Yeah.
So imagine like if there was little pieces of crust in here too.
Yeah.
That'd be fantastic.
So this is apple strudel, 2 points over here.
Copied me.
No, he would have gotten it.
I mean,
I think he would have gotten the apple.
you can have 1 point if you want. We can.
Yeah, I'll win
close.
either way. I'll win
Keep
either
it
way.
close. You can have 1 point for both wrong players.